Alright, what's up YouTube? So we just woke up, we just checked out the track. They just fully groomed the whole thing. So there's probably only maybe like 4 or 5 people riding right now. We're getting our gear on. But we're trying to get an early start today because the last couple days we've didn't really start riding till like 11:30, 12, and then had probably like a good 4 hours to ride. But regardless, out here we had to move the bikes in, put the awning out because it started to rain. Doesn't look like it's raining anymore. It kind of cleared up. The sun's starting to come out. But yeah, get our gear on. Making a Pop-Tart for breakfast right here. Heating that up for 30 seconds because I could make oatmeal or something a little healthier, but I'll have a Pop-Tart for right now. I'll be good. If you guys eat Pop-Tarts, comment below what your favorite Pop-Tart flavor is. I was in school every single day, twice a day, 2-3 packages. It was terrible. Ended. Whoop. Alright, we're getting all geared up, good to go. The sun finally came out like I was saying, so no more rain, hopefully. It's supposed to be like 75 today, so should be pretty good. We got stuff everywhere. We definitely gotta clean up everything before we load the bikes and get all situated. It's one way to do it. What's wrong with it? Peyton, buddy, I think it's time for a new sprocket, huh? There's absolutely pretty much like, no teeth left down there.
20 hours on it.
Yeah, it's done. Well, since this thing's toast, he's got a freshie right here. He's probably actually just gonna swap off the race bike, take the wheel off. This one's still stock. I don't even think he has one ride on that.
I've seen you guys lose.
Man. So many guys over here.
Damn, Dave.
Sprocket's runnable, probably another couple of rides.
Just the chain would be going pretty.
Yeah, the chain would just skip a little bit, but it'd be alright.
Still fine though, isn't it?
Yeah.
That really
It's all the sand.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Yep.
I want to try these Miko ones.
Yeah.
Wow. Shout out to Miko Metals.
Dunzo.
I can walk my snake.
That is awesome. Oh man. Okay, so I'm cutting into today's video to thank the sponsor of the video, which is the Cheese app. This is basically like a short video editing app where you post short like little mini edits that I'm going to be posting of, say, riding. It's mainly going to be like different riding clips throughout this week, and just overall when I'm at the track I'm going to put together like short little edits using this app. You can quickly edit it together, use different like text on it, you can put different drawings on it, make it totally custom to you. It's super easy. I always get a bunch of questions on how I edit my videos and whatnot, or how I edit the Instagram videos, and this is a perfect way because you can post it to all of your platforms. So if you download the Cheese app, I'll link it down below in the description. You can follow me there to see stuff that I'm not going to post anywhere else. I'm probably going to post like little mini riding edits, little mini vlogs in there. So if you want to check it out, the link is down below. Definitely go give me a follow. I'm not going to be able to see these anywhere else, so definitely, like I said, download the Cheese app, check me out. And they have this trivia feature where you can win like $5,000, $10,000, $15,000, I believe. Don't quote me on it, but you can win some money on there. They also have this new dance-off feature where you can select a song and then it plays the song. You set up your phone on the wall or whatnot, propped up, and then it instructs you how to dance to it. And that's a cool other feature you can kind of do with your friends and post and kind of show each other. You use my referral code, it's on the screen right here, also in the description. Type that in and I believe it gives you one more life to give you a chance to win. Like I said, the link's down below. Give it a download, give me a follow, and we'll get into the rest of this video. Picked up a freshly used tire from Peyton for like 40 bucks if my camera would focus. This thing probably has, he found it in the trash can here, so it probably literally only has one ride on it. It's basically brand new. With the tube too. Tired probably?
What?
Tired probably? Some nice hot dogs for lunch, even though I haven't even ridden yet. I don't know if I'm gonna ride. We'll see. The bike's all clean.
You paid.
Then I gotta, I know, I don't know.
You gotta ride at least once you pay.
We'll see. I probably will. Oh, Mike had a little casualty. The whole strap broke off. The whole boots are cracked. He's gonna just duct tape it, I think. I don't know, gorilla tape it?
Yeah.
At this point.
I'll just cut it off.
Until he gets new boots.
Well, I'll just cut it off after today.
Probably be stiffer than when you actually had the buckles since they're so shot on the insides. Look at that. Look at that bend. Look at that crack in the plastic. That's not safe.
They've been through a lot.
Yeah, you don't say. Fresh clap sticker to the bike. You just got to peel off the transfer tape and then you put it on and then you peel off the transfer tape after.
I know.
If you guys want to check them out, the first line in the description for the clap stickers, Look Pro Go Slow, number plate stickers, Moto Dude stickers, a bunch of different stickers. Now it's looking that much better. And got the OG number plate sticker on there too. Well, Mike's cutting the tape off the Freshie boots. I think he's got at least another season on them for sure.
I'll get a couple more.
But, I mean, you'll just have to retape them every time. But they'll be good, yeah. Yeah, for sure. The Gorilla Tape really holds up good, huh?
Dude, really good ankle support.
Yeah, you should, I'm just gonna throw these in the garbage, right?
No.
What do you mean, no?
I got 2 more rides on them.
You don't got 2, let's throw them out.
Nah. They're better than Shrek.
Yeah. These boots. If anybody's ran their boots that long, comment down below or send me a picture on Instagram.
Actually, if you grab
at Tyler Monagan, DM me your shot boots. I don't think you could really top
this one's
top Mike's boots. I'm sure there are worse as far as like a soles and whatnot, but
this one's worse.
What?
Watch. So, you know, foot's in, no big deal. There's my sock.
Your sock is right there.
That's
dude, seriously.
They're
done. They're shot.
This
long gone. Those things have been gone like 6 months ago. At least.
There's a dumpster over there.
Yeah, there's a dumpster over there. Hang them up on the wall for a practice rider trophy. I can't talk. I only raced like 4 times last year, but still. Alright, well, time to take the gear off after we only did like maybe 10 laps, but taking everything off, get everything cleaned up, loaded up, and head out of here and probably drive like 6 hours tonight, sleep, and do the rest tomorrow. Alright, we got the back all cleaned out, sweeped out, and then load them up. Get everything all situated. You already know we got a healthy Easy Mac in the microwave for a little snack because pretty much all our food, we got some oatmeal, we got some cookie pies, we got some, I guess we got some oatmeal. That's kind of healthy. We got some Oreos up here. We got some, what are these? Zebra cake rolls. Like, we were honestly trying to go healthy on this trip, so we got a nice, lot of good solid meals for dinner. And yeah, can't complain, solid food. Just trying to be healthy this trip, I think. Oh. Can't get a much better quality than that stand, I don't think. Well, it's official, we're heading out, got everything loaded. Club MX, we'll see you later. I really wish we weren't leaving, but we gotta go. Thing's sweet. Alright, so we pulled off last night at like 1:30-ish. We stopped at just the Walmart over here to sleep for the night. It's currently like 7:38. And now we have another, I think, about 7 hours back to Dave's house, and then another hour back to Mike and my house. So we got another at least 8 to 9 hour journey back home today. We're in Virginia right now, mountains everywhere. Couldn't really see this last night when we pulled in. It's pretty cool. Alright, well, this journey has come to an end. We got all our bikes, we got everything loaded up in here. Both bikes, both mountain bikes, stands, gas, gear bags, everything in here. Yeah. This thing is packed full of stuff. We had both the bikes loaded and then we're like, wait, we have a ton of room, and then we forgot to put the mountain bikes in there. So we are pretty much jam-packed. Can't really fit much else in there. So we're heading out. It was a fun time. Thank Peyton for this somewhat freshy one ride on it, but just for when that comes time. Alright, so the next day I didn't actually end the video. I just wanted to come home, unload everything, take a shower, relax, but I'm gonna end the video here. Huge shout out to Dave for taking me and Mike and giving us basically this experience, because otherwise, without Dave, I would not have been able to go here, wouldn't have been able to try out Breezewood first of all, or even go to Club MX, so without him it wouldn't have been possible. So huge shout out to him. Like I said, if you want to check him out on Instagram, it's on the screen right here. I don't remember it off the top of my head. Overall, it was a super fun trip, other than the speeding ticket on the way there, the RV breaking midway through, and us having to stay in a PA for like 2 or 3 extra days. If you guys didn't see the previous videos, go check out the last like 4 videos from this whole trip. You'll kind of understand what I'm saying. But yeah, other than those 2 things, I don't think anything else happened. But regardless, the trip did not go to plan whatsoever, but we ended up making the most of it between a few little things we did, the go-karts, at least we got to end up riding Breezewood that Saturday, or I think it was the Sunday, because our plan was to go to JWTF for 2 or 3 days and then drive straight to club. But regardless, we made the most of it, like I said. And yeah, I don't think there's anything else to say. If you want to subscribe to the YouTube channel, hit the red button down below so you can see all the future uploads, future riding videos, future videos on the KLX125 build. And yeah, you can follow me on Instagram at Tyler Monagan. You can follow Mike on Instagram. I think it's just at Mike Senzi. And of course Dave. Yeah, off of that, I will see you guys hopefully tomorrow, the next day, with a new video. I wanted to start the 125 build, but I don't have all the parts in, or I don't think the rest of the stuff is done getting vapor honed or whatnot of the powder coat. So probably within the next week I can start up on the rest of the KLX125 build videos. But like I said, off that, I'll see you guys in the next one.